What's up everyone, NinjaHawk here. Today I'm going to be playing WarioWare Smooth Moves and I'll be playing super hard because I want something very frustrating, so why not? Let's begin. Well, that's easy. That wasn't even super hard. Give me something harder. Shut up. Wow, that was hard, wasn't it? Oh, I can't do this. I can't whack the Wii remote twice. Oh, I can't unlock a door. Go back to your normal color. Lucky guess, but hey, I knew it. I have the power of orange! Oh, lucky. Sorry, I need to knock on the door. Get your teeth back, Rainy. Easy win. I just wanted to do that. Oh! Oh yeah, I can't roll a dice. I knew I was gonna get it. And speaking of getting, a frog? A frog? Who swims for a frog in a fishing scenario? Who gets a frog in swimming? Oh yeah, I can't do that. It used to be my worst nightmare, that minigame. But I can easily do it now. Oh. Yeah, I definitely can't do that. Oh, come on! I hate that minigame. Oh. Magic. Nearly failed. Oh yeah, I can't clean this. Oh wait! What?! Did I seriously just fail? Nope. I am... Well, that's only 2 minutes. Nah. We can't end it off on 2 minutes. Nah. Thank you everybody for watching. Not... Aren't I rolling? Power of orange! Oh yeah, I can't get to bed with that fly. Yes! Something went in my favour. I'll pick your nose. I'll pick a lucky winner out of it too. And that number is number 100. Yeah. How winning odd chances work. Oh, thank God. I was going to pour in the water. Oh, yeah, pizza. What, Mario's pizza? Here you go. Isn't that a cute duck? Of wood. I hate that ring. I'm the dog now. Wait, I actually kept it up! That's bullshit. That detection was horrible. I guess I'll be playing disadvantaged. No, I am not falling for that. Somehow I didn't win that other one. I was gonna laugh if I fail. Oh! I rock! Now, Oh, I definitely rock. Fuck off. You deserve to be back. You picked the wrong house, fool. No skill. Ew, I don't want that guy in my house. Ew, ugly. Ah, yes, muscly. Oh, shit! I can't roll a dice, can't I? Oh, yeah, I actually wanted to deliberately do that. Oh, why did I answer that? Why did I answer that? Oh dear, was I really that stupid? Oh dear, well anyhow, that'll be it for the video. I guess 43 will do. Jeez, I'm losing myself. Well anyway, I'm going to start to wrap up now. Thank you everybody for watching. Hopefully I don't lose my temper here, and I'll see you on to my next video.